In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find draft campaigns in Google Ads, an essential skill for any budding advertiser navigating the platform. Let's dive into the process, starting from logging into your Google Ads account to locating and managing your draft campaigns. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is where all your advertising magic begins. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see the sign in button. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to follow along with this tutorial. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home interface. This is your control hub, providing an overview of all your campaigns and key statistics. To find your draft campaigns, start by navigating to the Campaigns tab. You'll see it in the navigation bar on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on campaigns will present you with a list of all active and paused campaigns you've created. Next, you're going to create a campaign draft. To do this, look towards the center of your screen for the Create Campaign button. Clicking this will initiate the setup for a new campaign, but don't worry, you won't have to go through with the entire setup just yet. Now, this is where you can manage your campaign drafts. After initiating a new campaign, look for the option that says Resume Campaign Draft. This option allows you to pick up from where you left off or make necessary adjustments before finalizing and launching any campaign. Once you're in the Resume Campaign Draft section, you'll find the Select a Campaign Draft to Finish option. This area lists all the campaign drafts that are currently in progress. Simply click on the draft you wish to continue working on. This is where you can fine-tune your draft, ensuring that all settings and creative elements align with your strategy goals. It provides a great way to review and modify drafts before committing them live. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the know-how to find and work with your draft campaigns in Google Ads. This process not only allows you to revisit campaigns at your pace, but also gives you the chance to perfect your strategy before going live. Remember, the ability to manage and tweak your campaigns efficiently is a key part of running successful ads, especially in the dynamic world of online marketing. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising.